You're not earning affiliate commissions with your YouTube channel simply because you're doing it wrong. Don't worry, it's not your fault. Someone's teaching you the old way of affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the old way and why that doesn't work, and actually the new way and the better way to actually make money with your YouTube channel and affiliate marketing. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, the old way of affiliate marketing no longer works. People are still teaching it, and that's why you're not earning commissions. With the old way, you literally need thousands of clicks before you even see one commission. Let's take a look at my screen here as an example. So this is the old way of doing it. People will tell you to create content on YouTube. This is supposed to be a triangle for a video. And then they're telling you to direct link over to Amazon or Bluehost or whatever it may be. Okay. And this has a very low conversion rate. You need thousands of clicks, and you actually need a little bit of luck involved too in order for people to click on your affiliate link and work. Does this work? Yes, but it has a very low chance of converting. There are a number of reasons why. One of them simply is most people don't buy right away. And so if you're just sending people over to Amazon from your content, you're losing out on a huge opportunity. In addition, it takes thousands of clicks in order to see this result. Some people will say, well, I got a result right away. That's on accident. That doesn't happen intentionally. That was probably an accident. And that's why you're seeing inconsistent results. So this is the old way. I'm going to put an X through it because we're not going to do that anymore. The new way is going to enable you to make more money with the same amount of customers. It's going to allow you to reach out to these customers again and again, and it's actually going to allow you to earn commissions faster. Yes, you will be surprised that with this new method that I'm teaching you, you're actually going to be able to earn commissions much faster. So let's go ahead and talk about what we need to do. And again, this is going to work for any affiliate program, Amazon, Bluehost, underwaterbasketweaving.com, whatever it is, this is going to work for you. The first thing that you want to do is you want to identify a problem, a product that you want to solve. For example, let's head on over to Amazon and we're just going to pick a product. Now, this can work for any affiliate program. This will work for any affiliate program. Let's just promote these microphones here. These microphones are pretty popular over on TikTok and YouTube. So let's take a look. So here we go. Wireless lavalier microphone, I'll say Synco microphone. We're going to promote it. What we want to do is we want to figure out first the questions that people are asking and the problems that this microphone solves. So we're going to hop over to YouTube, and this is called keyword research, but in reality, we're trying to learn about the problems that product solves. So first thing that we can do is we can go, let's do Synco G2. We're going to copy this and we are going to paste this in just like this, hit the space bar, and then let's type in review afterwards. And you can see here that people are simply doing review videos. This is going to get a lot of traffic. And actually, if we look at this, this doesn't have a lot of competition, 23,000 views, 32,000 subscribers. This is a good view to subscriber ratio for this type of content. Look at this one, 3.5 thousand views, 1.89 thousand subscribers. So this tells you that there is a ton of opportunity in this space. But again, you can do this with any product. So here's one example. We can do reviews. We can do unboxing like this. And you're going to see that once again, that there are a lot of people that are looking up this information. 743 views, only 114 subscribers. So if you unbox this product, you can get in front of a highly targeted group of people. If we look here, again, 4,000 views, 4,000 subscribers. That's a 1-to-1. That's very good. 109 views from 4 weeks ago, 5,000 subscribers. There's opportunity, 26 views from 9 subscribers. So lots of opportunity here. So this is just at what I call the bottom of the funnel. And just to illustrate this, I'm going to draw a triangle here like this. Now stay with me because toward the end of this video, I'm going to show you the secret to making all of this work. So this is a review video right here, right? Review, or just put rev. Next, people are going to be looking up different things like the comparison. So the Synco G2 versus like this, versus, okay, you can see people are comparing it to the Rode Go 2. We're going to click on this and we can create content here. Again, 23,000 views, 32,000 subscribers, 9,000 views, 67,000 subscribers. If we scroll through, look at this one, 530 views, 725 subscribers, good view to subscriber ratio. Teeny tiny channel. So people over here, if we do this once again, we're just going to put X versus Y, okay? If we go up a little bit, now the reason why the funnel looks like this is as people go down the funnel, there are less and less people that are searching for the question. Okay, so up here, there might be 10,000 people. Each person represents maybe 10,000 people. So as they move down the funnel here, there's going to be fewer and fewer people until they buy or they decide that it's not for them. Okay, so these are supposed to be people with no face. And you can see as we move down the funnel, there are less and less. Up here, people are looking for X for Y like this. And if we come back over to YouTube, we're doing best wireless microphone for, and if we look, we see for singing iPhone for YouTube. Let's select YouTube videos. And if we look, this is going to be a little bit more competitive. 31,000 views, 2.1 million subscribers. If we look at this one, 64,000 views, 55,000 subscribers. But you can see that people are asking all sorts of questions in this space. You can go through and create content with all of these. We can also do best wireless microphone under like this. Look at this, best wireless microphone under $200. If we look at our product, it costs $199. So we could actually put together a list of the 5 or 10 best wireless microphones under $200. 20,000 views, 106,000 subscribers. 5,000 views, 15,000 subscribers. This one, 1.1 thousand views. This is actually a good video. 8.1 thousand subscribers. If we keep scrolling here, you can see that people are asking this question over and over again. All right. And so at the top of our funnel here, where there are the most people, they're asking who, what, when, where, why, and how. They're asking questions like how to make better YouTube videos, how to create better content, how to get more views to their YouTube channel. So if we look at this, we could type in something like how to make better YouTube videos like this. And if we hit enter, you can see that there are tons of people asking these questions, and you can create content at the very top of the funnel. Now, what we're going to do, and again, this is the old way. This way doesn't work. I'm going to keep scribbling out so that you see it doesn't work. Let's talk about the new way. You are going to once again create content like we've done in the past. These keywords over here, we're going to create content based on these keywords. And instead of just sending them over to Amazon and missing out on your commissions, you are actually going to send them to a special little page that you set up. This special little page is going to address their problems and concerns, okay? This special little page has a box for their name, for them to type in their name, and to type in their email address, and then a little button here to submit. And so what we're going to do is I'm just going to put name, email, submit. All right. And these squiggly lines here are headlines. These headlines are going to address a problem that your target audience has. For example, as I mentioned very early on, if you understand the why as to what they're looking for, you can actually create a headline. So again, if people are typing in, they want to know about the best microphones, they want to know about how to make better YouTube videos, we could actually put a headline where it says free training reveals 5 ways to get more traffic or 5 ways to get more views to your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to type that in here. Our headline could say 5 ways to get more views on your views on your YouTube channel so that you can make more money online. All right. And so even though a few of these words are spelled wrong, you get the idea. And I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. 5 ways to get more views on your YouTube channel so you can make more money online. I just got to clean this up here just a bit. All right, so this is going to be our headline. And then the people that are interested in making more money online are going to opt in. And once they opt in, a few things are going to happen. First, they are going to get added to our email list. And this is how we're going to make more money. The second thing is that we're actually going to send them to what's called a thank you page. On this thank you page, we're going to say, you guessed it, thank you for opting in. Thank you, like this, thank you. And then we can add in a few boxes here. These boxes are going to be affiliate links. One affiliate link can go to the microphone that we recommended. Another affiliate link could go to our favorite camera. A third affiliate link could go to maybe a course that teaches them how to make better YouTube videos. But what's most important, because most people aren't going to buy straight from here, what's most important is we've collected their name and their email. This is how we're going to make more money over the longer period of time, faster, with fewer customers. Now, again, most people don't buy right away. As I mentioned, it takes between 5 and 12 touch points before a viewer becomes a buyer. And so what we're going to do is we are going to give ourselves the best chance to be successful by sending them emails. Yes, email marketing is going to be your key to success. And with email marketing, we can promote multiple products. We can ask them what they want and what they need, and then give them those products. We can sell all sorts of stuff, and we can follow up with them forever. And we can actually tell them when we have new content. So if you want to grow exponentially, this is the way to go. All right. And so we're going to send them emails, and those emails are going to go back up to the product. So we're promoting a microphone, for example. This is our Amazon affiliate link, and we're going to send them back over here to Amazon to the product that we want to promote, and multiple products that we want to promote. And it's really as easy as this. And we're going to say, hey, in email one, we're going to say, here's that free thing that you wanted. Included in that free thing are going to be links to the products that we recommend. So if we're trying to help people make better YouTube videos, get more views, we're going to promote things like lighting. We're going to promote things like microphones, camera, maybe even different courses or software, anything that they need to make better content on YouTube. And we're going to include that in our free gift. That's going to be on day one. So I'll put free here. But on day two, we can send them an email saying something like, most new YouTubers fail because of, and then it's going to be lack of audio or poor audio. And then we can offer them a solution, which is going to be our affiliate link. And when they click on that link and buy, we earn a commission. This is the best way to make money with affiliate marketing in 2022. This way up here doesn't work anymore, unfortunately, simply because consumers have too many options. Consumers are more aware of problems and solutions. And quite frankly, consumers just don't have the attention span that they used to have. So the best way to ensure that you earn your commissions with affiliate marketing is simply to take this path. Create content on YouTube, send them to a landing page or a bridge page, and then on that next page, that thank you page, is where you can include affiliate links. And you're also going to follow up with them every single day with email marketing. Now, you can start email marketing 100% for free. If you want to learn more about email marketing, let me know, because I'd be happy to create content to help you make more money with email marketing. So now that you know the right way to promote your affiliate links on YouTube, click the first link in the description for my free training that shows you how you can earn a full-time income without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads, or even a huge email list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.